Want HVAC systems that work harder and last longer? Introducing Victaulic HVAC products engineered for peak performance. Low-quality HVAC parts equal leaks, noise and breakdowns. High-quality couplings, fittings and parts for reliable HVAC performance. Why choose Victaulic HVAC? Flame-free installation, faster assembly, easy maintenance, and long-lasting durability. Perfect for offices, industrial sites, warehouse, and hotels. Explore full HVAC solutions now. Airmep, engineering excellence for your HVAC needs.